The standard C library contains several functions for searching through strings. We will look at two of them. The first searches for an individual character within a string. The second searches for multiple characters, another string inside a string. Let's start by searching for a single character. The strchar function takes two parameters. The first is the string to search. The second is the character to search for in the string. It searches for the character from left to right in the string. You might expect that strchar would return the index in the string where the character was found. However, this is not what strchar does. Instead, strchar returns a pointer to the character that was found, or returns null if the character was not found in the string. This code shows an example of calling strchar. Notice how the first argument to strchar is a string and the second is a character. If strchar returns null, then the if condition is true and we print an appropriate message. If we reach the else clause, then the character v was found in S1. We can use pointer arithmetic to determine the index of v in S1. Notice that both S1 and P are pointers into the same array, so pointer subtraction is well defined. Let's move on to a function that we can use to find a longer sequence of characters in a string. We call the string we're searching for the substring. Str searches left to right in S1 for the first occurrence of the substring S2. If S2 is found in S1, str returns a pointer to the character of S1 that begins the match with S2. Let's change our program to give an example of using str. Notice that in the call to str, both arguments are strings. The program prints that the substring starts at index 6 because index 6 in S1 is the start of the city match with S2.